guys, it's Cassie. Welcome to my channel if you are new here. Welcome back to my channel if you're a member of the 202 crew and you know what all of this is about. Today we're going to be talking about an item of fashion that I have been steadfastly obsessed with since I saw it on the catwalk, okay? And I saw it and I was like, I need it. It's the most me thing I've ever seen. If there is one thing I need in this world, it is these shoes. So, this is what we're talking about. Before I get into this video, please make sure to subscribe, okay? We have a cute little family here. We're very cool. We're very cool. I promise you, you're gonna love it. Click the red button and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell while you're there. Okay, let us begin. So, I saw these on the catwalk, okay? I saw them in their red, fiery glory, and I said, I need you. Okay, and when I need something, be it fashion, I get it, okay? I'm determined and I'm committed. Doesn't really happen with everything else in my life, that I'm never that determined and committed about anything else other than items of possession. So, I saw these and I was like, okay, we all know I love my trainers and my sneakers. Okay, we know this. It's a fact. But, I'm sorry. Look at them. Little did I know this was going to be the hardest thing to get. So I phoned up all the Chanel stores in London every single day. Well, they never arrived. And then they said it was going to be beginning of March, and I phoned up every single day. Never arrived. I'm going to Miami. I phoned up Miami, I'm like, have you got them? And they said, we've already sold out. To which I was like, sorry, what? Like, great, I'm now going to have to live my life without these. How will I go on? I'd committed myself to the life of living without them, obviously a life that is less than and more depressing than if I had got them. And basically, I had somewhat given up. And then when I got back to England at the beginning of April, ring-a-ding-ding, I got the bitches. They did come in a pink and a blue, however they didn't have this cute little ankle strap that very obviously says Chanel on it, so I held out for these bad boys. They also did come in a low top version, but I thought if there's a high top available, mama needs it. These are very, very bright orange. I'm saying that these are in neon orange, okay? So, which I actually wasn't ready for. I thought they were going to be more like a burnt, subtle orange. Not. But they're still everything. They're still everything. I apologize for how dirty the underneath is, because I've obviously worn them because I love them. But as you can see from the underneath, it has the Chanel logo on it or whatever. So if by any chance you're walking in the sand, you can just leave a little Chanel behind. Okay, yes, so they're made out of like a neoprene, so all of this is a neoprene kind of fabric, all of this bit is leather, you've got the suede underneath, and then, yeah, super, super comfy. I've worn these about 5 times now, and they haven't even rubbed yet, though I would assume that if they did rub, it would be this bit, because this bit's kind of hard compared to the rest of it, but so far so good. The thing I love about these is that they're actually quite a slim sneaker, because with most high tops, they can be quite chunky, right? And so you need to like balance out the outfit. So these basically go with a jeans look tucked in. They go with shorts. They go with dresses. You could do a cute skater skirt with these and just, you know, style it up. They are just fabulous. In the campaign, I shall insert pictures here. Oh, magic editing. They styled it with like a very cute tiny little Chanel micro skirt and it looked very chic. It was very like Legally Woods Paris Hilton 2007 and I am very here for it. Sadly, my funds do not stretch to a tiny Chanel micro tweed skirt. By the way, that shit's £1,000. Not for a tiny strip of fabric that we all know doesn't even cover a quarter of my ass. But anyway, so how do I feel about them? I feel every type of way about them. I feel like this is the most committed and loving relationship I've ever been in my life. They are everything I could have wanted and more. They were worth the fight. They were worth the constant phone calls. They are worth everything, every single penny. These I shall list the price below so that you don't shout at me if I say it on here. They're everything. Are they not everything? Comment below. They're everything, aren't they? I'm going to show you what they look like on. I'm wearing jeans today, so you're going to see it with a jeans look and me just sort of hopping around. For taking the time to watch this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, a like, just throw me a like. It does well for us, and it means that people can find our family and it can grow and we can become a bigger family. And subscribe if you haven't already. I don't need to tell you why, because you've watched this video, and if you got to this point you enjoyed it, so go ahead, press the red button, turn on the notification bells. I post a video every week. And lastly, leave a comment. Talk to me. Let's start a conversation. What did you think of the shoes? Did you hate them? Were they not worth my time and effort and ultimately cash? But do let me know. Anyway, have a wonderful morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you are, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.